Hello, my name is Lily Schmeezing, and today I'm going to be demonstrating how to make an inflatable paper origami heart. The reason I'm going to be doing this is because origami is proven to be very calming for the mind because it stimulates your mental and physical abilities. Today I will be going over pre-folds, secondary folds, and the final design of an origami craft. This will be with a piece of origami paper. However, you can do this with a sticky note, and any type of square paper. First, I will be going over how to do your pre-folds. For this craft, you are going to want to fold both sides diagonally, which will look like this and like this. Then you're going to make sure it is unfolded and fold vertically, not horizontally. Your next step is going to be folding up on the bottom, ensuring your crease is still vertical, about 1 to 2 centimeters. I would do this on a flat surface with a tube of some sort to press down on your crease. And while you're doing all of this, I would make sure to be as precise as possible, otherwise your product will not look as clean as you may want it to. Now, as you can see, I have a horizontal crease, and this is because your next step is going to be folding up with your previously folded piece at the bottom, and this is why we wait to fold up horizontally, because otherwise you will not be able to do this evenly. Now you ensure that your fold is at the top and you fold down to make corners at the bottom. Your folds will not meet in the middle, and that is what you want. Ensure that there is a pocket at the bottom of your heart, as that is what you will use to inflate it. Once you're done with this, then you are going to fold in on the corners of your trapezoid and make triangles at the bottom. Ensure to use the flat surface we talked about earlier to press down on these creases. The next thing you are going to do is fold these triangles up as hard as you can and then take them out. If you put your nail in between your paper, you will find a pocket. Take your triangle and tuck it in so it looks a little bit like this. So when you open it up, the triangle is inside of it. I will demonstrate again on the other side. You take your nail, open up this pocket like so. You take your triangle and tuck it inside. And this is what it should look like. Moving on to your final design, you are going to want to take your nail or some sort of tube and curve these corners in to give your heart more of a curved sort of look to it. As you can see, on one side, it looks more curved than the other. You take your nail and curve it in like so. You will do this on all 4 corners of your heart until you have something that looks a little bit like this. Then, as long as you ensure that your crease was at the top when you fold it up, you should have a pocket in your heart. You're going to take it and blow into it. Use your middle finger to press down on the crease that should be forming, and just like that, you have an origami paper heart. Your crease may need a little tweaking to look as good as it can, and if you want, you can flatten it out and retry until your heart looks just as you may desire. All in all, the reason I'm teaching you how to do this is because origami has a special place in my heart, and I believe that it is very calming for the body and the mind. It has been proven to stimulate your physical and mental abilities with minimal effort, and today we went over pre-folds, secondary folds, and creating your final design. I hope you guys enjoy this craft as much as I do, and have a great day.